One of the options with the Vipers to come in and during your first pass around the field is to be able to draw a boundary around that field and set up a no spray zone outside that boundary. To do this, we're going to select Menu, Start Job, New Job. We're going to name this field. We're going to call this one Smithfield. We've got the product application, swath guidance, and AccuBoom control selected, so we'll hit Next. On this field, we're going to run a straight AB line. Next. On the AccuBoom setup page, instead of running standard AccuBoom to create a field boundary, we want to create a map. Hit the Next key. Just like I named the field for the application spray, I have the opportunity to name the AccuBoom map as well. So again, we're going to call this Smithfield. Select Next. With the liquid system, without chemical injection, we're only applying one product. Next. I'll be spraying Roundup in this field, so I'll select OK. My AccuBooms tell me to make that my switches are off and wants to make sure I'm in the field I'm going to spray. Open now. My AccuBoom warning again. Once I've got the job opened up, there's a few extra steps to create the boundaries. I want to select Scout on the right-hand side of the screen. All right, you'll select Record, select Zone, and select Spray Zone Boundary. In the center of the screen, you want to ensure that Auto Point Entry is selected. And below that, you want to tell it what side of the machine the field boundary is going to be on, whether the field boundary is going to be on the left or the right-hand side of the machine. I'm going to drive this field clockwise, so I'm going to leave the left selected because the border of the field will be on the left side of the machine. Now we're ready to spray our first pass around the edge of the field to create our no spray boundary. As you can see, once we got back to our starting point in the field, the boundary automatically closed itself off. Once you've completed running a field boundary, if you need to know how many acres are inside the boundary, simply select the Scout tab, the Information button, and click inside the boundary area. It brings up a box and shows that that field had 27.4 acres inside the boundary.